Hello Lomzy team, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lomzy. My name is Uloma Ezike. You're welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to make this crunchy hair band. Yeah, a client gave me a dress to make for her baby girl, and I made this one, but I thought I should share with you how to make this. See how cute this is? Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this today. Yeah, all you need is just an elastic band, elastic casing, an inner lining, and a main fabric. I chose to use this satin fabric because it comes out so nicely. You see how nice it's looking. Measurement will be using the main fabric. I am using 40 inches by length by 10 inches. Then these two I am using 12 inches by 3.5 for the two of them. Yeah, and then the elastic is 6 inches. This is for a baby girl. She's 4 years old. Even if you don't have a machine, if you're in Nigeria, you can just cut this by these strips and call one Obioma and tell them to just run this straight for you, and you're done. You make a very lovely headband for your baby girl. Just imagine this in different colors like red and all those colors. So cute. Pink, baby blue, so go ahead, learn how to make this and make it for your daughter. So let's get started. The next thing I have to do is I want to work on this, on the main fabric. I would want to taper it by the two ends. So I am going to be folding it in half like this, and I fold it this way again. See what I'm doing? Yeah, by the time I fold it like that, I am just going to just cut away some inches from here. I just want it to have that feminine look. So that's why I want this side, that's the two side that is by your ear, to be smaller. So I'm going to be coming in 1.5 inches. So 1.5 inches like this. I take it. I'm not going to be taking it all the way down. I will just, as I'm cutting it, I'm tapering it down the other side. See what I'm doing? And I'm coming out like that. Yeah, this is all just what I need to do. So when I am done doing it, this is how it will look like. Yes, so I am going to be sewing these things right side facing together. I sew the three of them right side facing together. If you're in Nigeria and you don't have a machine, just give it to your Obioma and they will do it. They run it, and you have headbands, beautiful headbands that your daughter can go to church with. She can go for parties with. It will just make her look so gorgeous. So let's get started. I am going to be sewing out 1/2 inch. That's what I'm going to be sewing out now. Even if you don't have a daughter, you can make this for your friend's daughter, your niece, let it just be a gift, cute gift. Imagine that being a gift. See, this is all just your Obioma needs to do for you if you don't have a machine. So this one is the the secret behind this one. So we're not going to be turning this one. So this is what we are going to be turning. So with this, like this, you just, from the back, you fix this like so that you can use this to turn out this. We have sewn right side facing together, so now we need to turn this out for the right side to be out. Yeah, we'll have it like that. I'm going to be turning this out too. The same process. Take your safety pin, pass it like that, force it back in. Voila. So I am going to be passing this elastic into the elastic casing. So I have to do this. And pass this into this place. Now be careful so you don't lose your elastic. So once I get to that edge, I'm just going to hold it there. But when I'm holding it here, I am going to make sure this is in the middle here, and I'm going to be securing this with my machine. Continue passing out my safety pin. I'll also secure this place, making sure it's in the middle like that. I'll make sure it's in the middle like this. So I'm going to secure it now. So the next thing we have to do is to get the secret in here, which is we're going to be passing this. I don't even bother whether I'm turning it out or not. If you want, you can, sew it the other way around, right side facing together. It doesn't matter, because this is the secret in the pudding. I'm going to be passing this into this place. So again, make sure you don't allow this to come off. So you just be watching it to make sure it doesn't go in, or else you have to bring it out again and start afresh. And you don't want to do that. So now that we are here, again, you have to make sure this is in the middle. So we're going to be placing this to help it secure it in the middle like that. So I'm going to be securing this on my machine. I continue my journey. Yeah, so again, I am going to place this and make sure this is, see how it's going that side. Don't allow it to go there. Ask it where it's going and bring her back. Where are you going to come back? And let's sandwich you here. So I'm going to be securing it here like that. So I am going to be placing this right side facing together. This is the wrong side, and the side without this is the right side. So we are going to be placing them together, making sure that this line we have made here is going, I'm going to be matching it together there. And when you do that, you do this like so. See how you're bringing this in, trying to hide the secret of the perimeter. Let's hide the secret of the perimeter. You see? So I'm going to be sewing this here like that. So for you to have a very clean finishing, you have to, reduce the sewing allowance to almost to nothing. When you have done it like that, voila! See what we have here. See what we have here. See how neat this is. Yeah, that's what you always need to do. So again, we are going to be taking it backwards to the same place, making sure the right side facing together. We hide the secret of the perimeter. Hide this like so. Yep. That's all you need to do, and your baby girl will be so happy with you. Before she comes back from school, you're presenting her with this cute scrunchy hairband, and she will so appreciate it. You know how cute baby girls are. Oh my goodness, I love this so much. You see that thing I reduced here? You see how it has tapered and given it this feminine look? See how this gorgeous this is. Oh my goodness, I love this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my sewing tutorials. And you can join my Facebook group, Sewing Tutorial by Lomzy, where you can share any video or any picture of what you want me to make, and I'll be glad to make that. And if you want to join my online class, you can go ahead and do that. I'll be dropping the link to all my contacts, both my Facebook, my Instagram, and my WhatsApp. I'll be dropping it in the comment section, so you go ahead and reach me so that you know how to join my online class. For today's tutorial, thank you and bye. God bless.